Hi, ukulele fans. Today we're going to do the cover of Take Me Out to the Ball Game. And I'm going to have to apologize in advance. My throat is a little scratchy, so bear with me, but I'll do the best I can. Anyway, here we go. Here goes. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. And then I don't care if I never come back. Let me root for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame. So it's 1, 2, and then 3 strikes you're out at the old ball game. Keep the music coming.